By the end of this video, you'll have access to unlimited movies, TV shows, live sports, and even pay-per-view events for free. So, if you're ready to unlock endless entertainment, stick with me and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Downloader app, which will allow us to download Kodi onto your Firestick. Here's how you do it. From the Firestick's home screen, press left to access the search icon. Type Downloader and select the orange app that appears. Click the download button and wait for it to install. Once it's installed, don't open it yet. We need to make a quick tweak in the settings first. To allow Kodi to be installed, we need to enable apps from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to Settings on your Firestick. Scroll to My Fire TV. If you don't see Developer Options, select About and press the center button on your remote 8 times. This unlocks Developer Mode. Now go to Developer Options, select Install Unknown Apps, and turn it on for the Downloader app. That's it. Now we're ready to install Kodi itself. Now let's get Kodi on your Firestick. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type Kodi TV Download and hit Go. Scroll down and select the Android APK file, since the Firestick runs Android. When the download finishes, click Install. Great! Kodi is now installed, but it's not fully loaded yet. Hang tight. This next step is where the magic happens. Now Kodi is like a blank canvas. Let's install a fully loaded build that gives you access to movies, TV shows, and more. Here's how. Open Kodi and click the gear icon for settings. Go to File Manager and click Add Source. Enter the URL for the build repository and name it something memorable like Diggs Repo. Head back to Addons, select Install from zip file, and choose Diggs Repo. Then, select Install from Repository, choose Diggs Repository, and install the Chef Omega Wizard. Once installed, Kodi will load the Xenon build, and now you'll have access to tons of free content. Before we start streaming, there's one more crucial step to protect your privacy. For privacy and security while streaming, you need to use a VPN. Here's how to set one up. Search for IP Vanish in the Firestick App Store. Download and open the app, then sign up for an account. Once logged in, connect to a server using optimal location. With your VPN active, you're now fully protected while streaming. Now let's check out your newly loaded Kodi and see everything you've unlocked. Alright, let's open Kodi one last time and check out your fully loaded Xenon build. You'll see categories for movies, TV shows, live sports, and pay-per-view events, all ready for you to stream for free. Everything you want to watch is now right at your fingertips. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've turned your Firestick into an unlimited entertainment hub with Kodi. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. Have questions or need help with your build? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.